Welcome back to the channel and today's live day trading session. Now we've got only 1 minute till the report of natural gas. So today it's Thursday. Let's go to the chart and see what is going on because it is about up. There you go. It's 3:30. So report time, report time, report time. Let's see what will happen with natural gas. We've been consistently selling off throughout the day today. I've managed to get some good profits out of the market in terms of short selling crude oil, but let's see how things are going at the moment. Right, so we just had the report. It's time. It's what, 3:30. So let's see where crude oil, natural gas is going from here, and if in fact we'll be looking to potentially reverse from all those short positions, or in fact we'll continue selling off. Like I said, I've opened up a nice position around $84. Sorry, 284. Right here, sorry, 24 to be precise, and I've closed it at around 235 to be precise. So let's see, obviously, if there is still enough steam to continue short selling natural gas, as that been potentially I reckon it's been the huge sell off of this month just gone. June, look at that, it's just a beauty, as it's called. Also, by the way, I have just posted a new video, so make sure you go to the channel and watch that, and it's how we should take up on any risk on the market. Hopefully that is a very nice video for you to watch, and make sure you do hit those comments and then let me know if I have in fact to improve in some way delivering those videos. So in the meantime, let's have a breakdown of crude oil, natural gas, see where we stand with those two futures, and then let's see how the report will play out. I know today it's Independence Day in America, so congratulations for those who are in America, but hey ho, I'm in UK, so I'm looking to trade and potentially take up on any new opportunities forming in the market. So let's just see what's going on with crude oil very quick. So let's go to crude oil and see the minute time frame. I'll go to the daily. Okay, let's go to the daily and see where we stand with that. So you can see we're still trading above the moving average, continue that upward momentum since we broke above that moving average, and then we have continuously making higher lows and also higher highs. So that's a good indication, and potentially we're looking for continuous uptrending pattern onto the daily. Now, if the daily is uptrending, then obviously we already know that the trend is your friend. So we're looking to stick only long position with crude oil, something I haven't done for a while, and I have paid dearly for that. So sticking to the major trend of the day, it's something I'm doing now on consistent basis, because if you are to get it wrong, at least the trend is in your favor, unless something significant happens and we reverse from that uptrending pattern, upsending, so to be precise. But it doesn't look like at the moment. We're just bouncing off the moving average on the hourly. Let's see if we can make a high right here around $84 per barrel, or we will be reversing, and then we'll see if we can break the moving average on the way down. Now today also, why is that? All right, I just wonder why. I just seen it. Let's go to a Stream Deck. Let's see why the Stream Deck is not working at the minute. That's quite bizarre. Let's go. Hey, now it's working. That's good. Right, so back to crude oil and natural gas. Right, we're just breaking down crude oil. As I said, we have continued that ascending pattern we have seen from beginning of June, and kind of are we currently leveling off. We made a higher high here around 84.5, and then we have sold off a little bit, testing the moving average, and then we're circulating at the moment in that kind of consolidation area we're finding ourselves in. That is hourly time frame. So if you go into the 5 minutes, you'll see same kind of consolidation with the higher highs of $84 a barrel, and the lower low of the pattern, it's 82.5 a barrel. So that's where we're trading at the minute, and that is 5 minute time frame as well. Let's see where that's gonna take us. We have a daily high of $84 a barrel, so a good resistance level. And then if you go to the minute, you'll see we're kind of finding ourselves in ascending pattern at the moment, just above the moving average. And we are currently testing a resistance around 83.7, but we also have a support of 83.5. So within those levels, if you are looking for a support and resistance pattern, potentially that would be a good one for you to get on board and then just trade lows and highs of that particular no, it's not horizontal, is it? Yeah, it's horizontal pattern, right? I'll put that 8350, and then we can then look into trading ups and downs, ups and downs. Now the volume is a little bit less because obviously it's an Independence Day in the in Americas. So we expect not so many volatile moves when it comes to crude oil. Now, natural gas though, it's a little bit different scenario, especially today. We've been consistently selling off relentlessly for the last few days. And if you go onto the daily, you'll see that we have kind of leveled off around a 3.2 a contract, and then we have sold off, sliding below the $3, $3 a contract. And we have broke also below the moving average without any kind of support, and then we continue selling off below the moving average as it stands at the moment. Right, so very important. We have currently faced with a support of around 2.35. Let's see if we can break it, and then you can see that onto the hourly time frame. You cannot really see it, to be fair. But let's perceive it, right? It's good. But yeah, so we have broke that support at 2.4, and I have continued selling off. I could have held my position, baby. That would have been a good little position from here. Oh, but that's the hourly, sorry. Let's go to the 5 minutes and see. Wait, that. Okay. Yeah. Massive sell-off currently. That is the vibe on natural gas, although we may have met some support, but I don't know what will happen, and I don't want to guess of what will happen. But yeah, we may be in for potentially pullback, testing the moving average on the way up, or we may continue just selling off, which will be easiest for every trader out there at the minute. I believe so. Right, so yeah, currently consolidation on crude oil, and that relentless sell-off continues with natural gas as it stands at the moment. And that is the update for today. We've opened up only one trade, and that was a short position of natural gas. I have found that to be the most lucrative one for myself. But if you have, in fact, seen a better edge, then obviously you can, by all means, go and open up a position. But I don't foresee, with the current volume of traders entering the market, potentially a massive reversals. But again, I may be wrong and you may be right, so just stick to your initial strategy. And then let me put that now, based on the current volume, I don't really see any huge reversals happening today, especially with the Independence Day in the USA. But again, that is only my perception, and if you have seen a better edge, just act on it and see what the probabilities says. Now moving on from there, let's see what is going on. Not much, to be fair. We're currently testing a lows of 2.34. Let's see if we'll be able to break that. We tested the resistance of 3.5. Yeah, we have bounced off that. Let's see what will happen with crude oil in the meantime. If we'll be able, in fact, to break the moving average and then give back some of the gains throughout the day today, because if I am to go to the measure, let's see, where is the measure? It's here. And then let's say from 12 o'clock, go back to the measure. So from 12 o'clock, we have about 0.66% gain. That's 3 hours and a little bit. Would have been a nice long trade for someone. But then at the same time, if you look at a natural gas, let's see, from 12 o'clock, would have been at 3.5%. So much better opportunity when it comes to natural gas and the percentage it's offered at the moment. And we're just breaking below that previous support. So we continue selling off natural gas. So let's go natural gas. I should have stayed longer in my position, but hey ho, I've heard once upon a time that you can go broke taking profits from the market, but that is wrong sometimes, because you're missing out on the larger profits And at some point, your stop losses will call up with your profits, and the stop loss will be much greater than your little profits here, there, and everywhere, basically. So yeah, I'm currently working on leaving my trades for a little bit longer, just so I can take up on more profits rather than just settling for a little less here, there, and pretty much everywhere, which again hasn't worked so far for me, and I doubt it works for anyone else. Now, as we speak, crude oil is testing previous highs of 83.75. Let's see if there will be enough bulls in the market to break that. But looking at crude oil, it's more buy than sell, but again, it's some sort of a consolidation area at the moment after so much gains we have gained throughout June, compared to the huge sell-off of natural gas in June comes July now as well. So keep on monitoring those two futures and see how things will go further down the line today as well. Okay, crude oil just broke that resistance, and we currently just made a higher high for today. Looking at it, yes, we have. So well done, crude oil. Well done for all those long traders who have opened up a long position with crude oil, and also for all those gainers who managed to keep their positions short on natural gas throughout the day or throughout the week. It has been a fantastic swing trade by the looks of things. I haven't been able to get into that swing trade, but I'll be dipping more and more into swing trades as I go along. I just want to be mastering the day trades at the moment, and then I'll go into potentially manage my wealth when it comes down to swing trades further down the line. But first, let's make the wealth, right? Let's make it first or break it, right? It's one of the two things. Now, yeah, natural gas is continue selling off, and crude oil continue pushing forward. So let's go. Let's make some cash today. That is the ultimate goal. Now, I can see more and more people are joining me, so make sure you just chip in, put some comments down there, so I'm not too bored just talking at you and talking and talking and talking. Just make sure you're interactive. I'm a human, so obviously I want to be talking to you. And then if you are texting, by all means, just do it. Don't be shy. But yeah, also, if you haven't watched the video I just uploaded this morning, make sure you go there and click on that link. No, click on the video so you can watch it, because I think it's very nice video. But you can let me know in the comments below. Okay, make sure you do that. Lovely bubbly. Right, okay, I think I'm gonna wrap it up for today, guys. I haven't been able to open up any positions. We've seen what happened with natural gas report. Not much. We continued that sell off. There was no major report by the looks of things today, so we continue making lower lows with natural gas. I'll be probably looking to open up another position. If we come close to the moving average, then I'll be considering something like that. But at the moment, I'm just monitoring the market and waiting for my next opportunity to arise. Just looking at instrument details, I think market is closing a little bit early today. Yeah, it is closing. Let's see. No. Okay, it's closing at 10 o'clock as usual, so business as usual by the looks of things. So let's go crude oil, let's go natural gas, let's make some more money today. Today it's Thursday, it's a money day, right? That's how it should be. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. For those who didn't manage to join me, make sure you watch the video, and I'll be looking forward to be live trading tomorrow. Friday is the last day of the week, in fact the first week of this half of the year, and first week of July as well. So I'll be here live trading crude oil, natural gas, and hopefully we'll make some more money. So that is the ultimate goal. Thank you so much, and may God bless your trading.